Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on the tech sector. So it was up for the bulls today to prove their strength, to prove the turnaround, and to confirm the bullish reversal candlesticks from yesterday to finally put a stop to the bearish momentum, and they did not do that in any way, shape, or form. We started weak pre-market, and the bears controlled the day. So this is a similar situation back to June 28th. It was an oversold hourly bounce. We cooled it off. We set a lower high, and then the bears took back over. Hourly oversold bounce, no follow-through. A lower high was set, and the bears are taking back over, and we hit the lowest price that we have seen on this pullback at 54.25, just breaking below. So the next support is back here at 54.15, and if that level breaks, we're looking down at these gaps, 53.62 and 53.10 as some potential targets if this support is lost. And this is the most significant support that has been found in the past 10 weeks at this point. So that's a very important level that is approaching. The weekly time frame is testing the middle Bollinger Band here. That's at 54.15, lining right up with that consolidation. So two key supports at that level. If we lose this middle Bollinger Band, we're going to see a bearish TCG cross of these exponential moving averages for the first time in the past 8 months. Bearish MACD already occurred, so this is starting to become notable. And if we lose the middle Bollinger Band, that will be the case. So Apple on the daily time frame continue to see weakness, lower highs and lower lows. The bulls had been buying the dip here with those those higher lows, I should say, but we did break that support today. It was a pretty contained range, but we're being driven down by the exponential resistance, and as long as any time frame has exponential moving averages as resistance, the 4 and the 8 period, the bears are in control. So the weekly time frame losing the middle Bollinger Band already, being driven down by those exponential resistances, and looking at the next support of 139.48 if we break 142.20. So 142.20 is the key support before we head to lower lows, and then we would be looking at 139.48 after that. Facebook on the daily time frame, not an inside bar today. We did break to a lower low, but just barely, and only by 13 cents. So still holding up on the higher low pattern on the daily after coming off the all-time high, which was a higher high, but we are still seeing the weakness of being unable to get back over these moving averages, which are now resistance, which had been support. So definitely, because I say lead bull, I don't mean it's bullish. It's the strongest in the sector, but if the sector goes down, everybody in the sector most likely is going to go down as well. So it can be holding up better than everybody else, but that doesn't mean it is a bullish play. You never want to be going against what either the market or the sector itself is doing, because that is just like swimming upstream. You want to be going with the momentum of the overall market or the overall sector. And that for now is to the downside. But if I were going to choose a technology name to be playing to the downside, it wouldn't be Facebook, because it's holding up strong. There's a lot weaker names out there. Netflix is one of the weakest. Google is weak as well. I'd say Apple is the third after those other two. So we'll see how it plays out. We'll check back in over the weekend. Have a good night.